Hey guys, this is Idris from Edu Think Tank. Today we're going to explore Power Apps in this video. But before we go further, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Power Apps is a cloud-based service offered by Microsoft which allows users to create custom business applications without the need of extensive coding or development skills. Power Apps is a part of the broader Microsoft Power Platform, which also includes Power BI and Power Automate, which was formerly known as Microsoft Flow. Let's take a look at the key features of Power Apps. Low-code development feature. This feature of Power App provides a low-code development environment, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. With the help of this feature, users can create apps using visual interface, reducing the need of a traditional coding. Connectivity is a feature in the Power Apps that offers a wide range of connectors to connect to various data sources, including Microsoft 365, SharePoint, SQL Server, and many other cloud-based and on-premises services. Connectivity feature enables users to easily access and control the data within their apps. Templates. This feature in Power Apps provide pre-built templates, components that can be customized to create apps quickly. These templates cover common business scenarios like inventory tracking, expense reporting, and customer relationship management. Customization. In this feature, users can design app interfaces using a drag and drop interface designer, allowing for custom branding and user-friendly layouts. With the help of feature customization, you can also add custom functionality using Power App formulas. Development. Apps created with Power Apps can be deployed to various platforms, including web browsers, mobile devices, which includes iOS and Android, and even a standalone Windows applications. Security. Power App integrates with Microsoft Security and Compliance feature, which ensures that your apps and data remain secure. With feature security, you can control access, authentication, and permissions at various levels. Integration. Power Apps can be integrated with other Microsoft products like Power BI, Power Automate, as well as third-party services through connectors. Let's explore Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is an automation platform that enables users to create automated workflows and streamline business processes. Let's take a look at the key features of Power Automate. Workflow automation. Power Automate allows users to create workflows that can automate repetitive tasks and processes. These workflows can be triggered by events such as email arrivals, form submissions, or changes in data. Connectors. Similar to Power Apps, Power Automate offers a wide range of connectors that enable integration with various applications and services, both Microsoft and third-party. Templates. Power Automate provides a library of pre-built templates for common automation scenarios. Users can customize these templates to suit their business-specific needs or build workflows from scratch. Conditional logic. Users can add conditional logic to their workflows, making it possible to create complex, multi-step processes that respond dynamically to different conditions. Notification. Power Automate can send notifications via email, Teams, or other communication channels when a specific events occur or when workflow tasks are completed. Monitoring and analytics. Users can monitor the performance of their workflows and gain insights into process efficiency through the Power Automate dashboard. Overall, Power Automate empowers organizations to improve productivity, reduce human error, and enhance collaboration by automating routine tasks and processes, all within an easy-to-use low-code environment. Let's move to Power BI, which is another interesting part of Power Apps. Power BI is a business analytics tool provided by Microsoft for visualizing and sharing insights from data. Power BI enables users to connect to various data sources, create interactive reports and dashboards, and share them with others. Let's take a look at the key features of Power BI. Data connectivity. Power BI supports a wide range of data connectors, allowing users to connect to various data sources, including databases, cloud services, Excel files, and online services. Data transformation. Users can transform and clean data within Power BI using Power Query, and it is a tool for data transformation and modeling. Data visualization. Power BI offers a wide array of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables to represent data in a visually appealing and understandable manner. Interactive dashboards. Users can create interactive dashboards by pinning visualizations to a canvas. Dashboards provide a real-time view of a data and can be customized for different user groups. Natural language querying. Power BI supports natural language queries, allowing users to ask questions in a plain language and receive relevant visualizations and insights. Sharing and collaboration. Reports and dashboards created in Power BI can be easily shared with colleagues and stakeholders. Security and compliance. Power BI integrates with Microsoft's security and compliance features, which ensures the data is protected and meets regulatory requirements. AI and machine learning. Power BI includes AI features for advanced analytics, such as anomaly detection and forecasting to uncover insights and trends in data. Overall, Power BI is a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft, making it a valuable tool for business intelligence and analytics. I would like to conclude this video with stating Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI are very powerful tools offered by Microsoft that empowers businesses to create custom application, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights from the data, all with relatively low levels of technical expertise required. These tools can be used independently or together to build end-to-end solutions for various business needs. Also, these tools are widely used in organizations to make data-driven decisions, track performance metrics, and gain valuable insights from their data. Hey guys, once again thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to channel Edu Think Tank.